Hi everyone, this is Arif. Tomorrow is 4th of December, Monday, first day of the week. Last Friday was pretty good day. When it touched last Wednesday, it was on 250 or 52 level, it came down. It was a it was quite a pullback, and I was quite scared as well that will it fall further below 231. But on Friday, it actually reversed, and it was quite a good, I would say, beautiful bullish green candle we got on Friday, and it actually told us that it will go up again, I think. And there is a very few chance of going down from this point. I do not see any possibility to go below 231. And also, Cybertruck delivery was not bad, I guess. And Mr. Powell, he also announced that there will be rate cut again on uh, from next year. There will be six federal rate cuts. Because economy was also already slowing down, so it's kind of good news, I guess. And I already mentioned in my last video that uh, in December 9th or 8th or 10th of December, it should be above 250 or 257, perhaps. So I can see here at this point, it actually found quite a good support, and it's quite a strong green candle. So on Monday morning, do not get too excited, or please do not get too overwhelmed, and that it will jump above 250 or something right away. What I'm gonna do myself, I will wait for the first 15 minutes. There might be a little pullback in the first 15 minutes. For example, if it might come down to 237 or 236 if it opened below 239 on Monday. If it's opening above 239 or 240, it should go up to 245 in first 15 minutes. That's really very normal. It will go to 245 or 244, and then there will be a quite a pullback, and after that it might go to 249 or 250 level. If it doesn't go to 250 on Monday, Tuesday or Wednesday for sure. I think it's quite normal. I don't see any chance to go down at this point. Thanks.